If you're in a group chat with your friends, just know that there's also a second group chat with only the core members of the group in it. And if you don't think that's true, it's because you're not in it. And I had to learn this the hard way because a couple of years ago, I had a group chat with my friends, and one day they posted a picture at an amusement park. So I was like, damn, I couldn't get an invite. But one of my friends who must have just not been thinking said, what are you talking about? We planned this in the group chat a couple days ago. Everyone was invited. But I scrolled through the previous text to make sure I wasn't developing Alzheimer's, and sure enough, I was right. They never mentioned anything about going to an amusement park. Then I found out it was because that text was only sent to a separate group chat. This is how it always goes for me though. I'm a part of a lot of friend groups, but I'm never a core member in any of them. It's kind of depressing.